Well, the next part of the program will leave most people baffled and amazed. Even as trainers, do you think birds can do math? But before we call in our mathematical wizard, I'll be asking two numbers between 1 to 50. Alright, I'll choose somebody who will give us a number between 1 to 50. Alright, so guys, are you ready to meet our mathematical wizard? Alright, now let's call in our mathematical wizard, Snow. Wow, Snow is our Moluccan kakatu. Scientific name is Kakatuang molescensis. These birds are found in eastern Indonesia and they're the largest among the white kakatus. Alright, Eli, is Snow ready to answer the equation? Alright, Snow, let's see. He gets number 3, the first number correct. I think you guys are not sure, is it correct? Alright, Snow, up to the second number. He gets number 2. Let's give a round of applause for our mathematical wizard, Snow.